Hey y'all, it's me Danielle, otherwise known as datgirldannie, here on YouTube and on Instagram. And today I am doing a twist out, hoping for the best, on these very old flat twists that I did in my hair. They have aged quite a bit, and I am just taking them apart and seeing what I get. You saw me do these flat twists in my last video, so if you want to see how I did them, please check them out. But now I am taking them down for a twist out. I mentioned in that video of the products that I use, one of the main things that I use was hair grease, Blue Magic hair grease, which is I am absolutely fine with using. However, for this hairstyle, I used it as a styler, and in my opinion, on my hair, it's not a good setting product to use as a styler. It doesn't set a style. That's why you see in this flat twist that my twist out is kind of frizzy, kind of fuzzy, because the product, that grease that I used, did not set the twist, but it did leave my hair shiny. It locked in the moisturizer that I used when I did style my hair. However, it did not set the style to lock in like a curl pattern or a twist form on my hair where it made a defined twist out. So unfortunately, because of the product that I use, I don't have a defined twist out, but I do have a very nice, shiny, fluffy twist out. On this particular day, I pretty much knew that I wasn't going to get a super defined twist out because of the products that I used. However, I made the best of it, and I was happy that I was able to wear this twist out when it was time to take out those two-strand flat twists to the back. I had them in for about a week before I took the twist out. And as you can see here, I am restyling my edges. I did swoops in the first video, but now I'm just kind of gathering everything together using my favorite edge control. My favorite edge control is called Edge Effects. You can find it at the beauty supply store. Now, I had been applying and reapplying this edge control for about a week. But one thing I learned about this edge control that I didn't know in this particular part of the video is that it can be reactivated with water. So instead of adding more edge control, I could have just added a little bit of water and got the same results. Because sometimes if you keep adding edge control on top of edge control, it can turn white, which you kind of see, but it'll wear off. So now instead of using a pick to fluff out my hair, I'm just using the end of a rat tail comb to fluff out my hair. I like to do this when my hair is already fluffy and I just want to kind of blend in my parts. So I'm using the end of a rat tail comb. My hair is pretty dense. But this is the results. As you can see, it's a nice fluffy twist out. It's not defined, but it is fluffy. It's still cute. It's still got some sheen to it. And I wore this probably about 2 more days before I restyled it. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys like the results of this fluffy twist out from my wash day hairstyle. Again, if you have not seen that wash day hairstyle video, I'm going to link it here so you can see. Basically, it's a 2-in-1 hairstyle that you can wear the twist for 1 week, and then the next week you can wear it as a twist out. So again, I want to thank you for watching. If you like what you see or you check out any of my other videos, be sure to like them and then subscribe to see more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed.